Scott Grove here, AWFS. I'm at outlawtool.com, and they've got this great system for cutting crown molding. You know, that's always, I think the technical term is a PITA, right? Pain in the ass, sorry, technical term. And Sheldon's gonna tell us how this works.
What it does is it takes all the mechanical and human error out of the equation and makes anybody who uses it cut perfect cuts. All you have to do is divide your corner by just like base molding. But the key is after you make your first cut, don't move the saw and go to the other side. That's where all the bad stuff happens. What we do, we just reverse the jig and the molding 180 degrees, make the same cut in reverse. It's the only system ever invented that makes any user perfect automatically every single time.
Oh, right? Is that awesome? And it's literally, how simple is this? Oh, what a great idea. Okay, where can they find you?
outlawtoolco.com.
Okay, great. Check it out. There you go.
Thanks,
Appreciate
man.
it. Thank you.
Appreciate it.